everyone, welcome to IHN Academy's UGC NTA Net English class. Today we are going to have a small look at Rabindranath Tagore. We all know he was a major figure in Indian English writing. So Rabindranath Tagore was born in 1861 and died in 1941. So 1861 to 1941 was the time period. So he was very famous because he won the Nobel Prize for Literature, right? He wrote the Nobel, so he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1913 for his work Geetanjali. So look into the year and work, it is very important. Geetanjali is subtitled to English as Song Offering. So it was actually written in Bengali language, and when written in Bengali, it had 157 poems. Tagore himself translated Geetanjali into English, and the translated version came out in 1912. It contained 103 poems. In the English version, there was only 103 poems. And the introduction to the English translation of Geetanjali was written by W.B. Yeats. That is also an important point. W.B. Yeats wrote the introduction to the English translation of Geetanjali. Some other works by Rabindranath Tagore include Gare Beira, that is The Home and the World, Chokir Bali, Isor, and Gora. These three are his famous novels. Kabuliwala, The Homecoming, The Postmaster, Elder Sister are some of his short stories. So this is a small introduction about Rabindranath Tagore. He's very important. Look into the year in which he got Nobel Prize and the work. And who wrote the introduction? W.B. Yeats. These are very important. Thank you.